Another video. I got this thing where I can extend it up. You can see above here. You can look above here. Here. And I'm gonna extend it back down and get my Nerf gun. And I'm gonna cut it open. I'll see you when I'm done.
Want me to warm those up to be crispy?
Yeah. I'm almost done, guys. Okay, I got it. Here it is. Let's take this gun out. And then there are bullets in here. I'll see when I get the bullets out. I got the bullets out. And then they go in here. Let's put this in. Okay. Then I'm going to hold the camera like this. Let's cock it. And then let's shoot it at the door. Never mind. I'll shoot it over here. Ooh! It whistled! It whistled! I might go outside. I'll see you when I get out. That'll be on today's video. Goodbye.